boys, we are back in the garage. So bali, we'll be installing the wiring harness today and the header. So yun ang gagawin natin. So ito yung ginawa natin last time. Yan, kinabit natin yung makina. So ito yung wiring harness boys na ginawa natin noon. Yan, na minodify natin. Ginamit ko rin yung yung dati yung mounting bracket na at saka yung grommet niya. Yan. So ilalagay lang natin to dito sa we're just gonna run it through the firewall again. Yeah, just bring it inside there. Medyo lumalamig na ngayon boys, so kailangan natin bilisan konti. Tingnan, missing one of the nut. Saan na yun? But anyway, hanap na lang tayo ng ayun. Alright. Ang naka-hold dito, dalawang nuts lang. Ayan. Ayan. Yan siya boys. And then ipa-plug in lang natin. Bale sinukat ko na to dati. And it should work. Alright boys, we just finished installing the wiring harness. Ayan siya. It's a very simple process boys. Plug and play. Ayan. So ngayon lalagyan natin yung yung header natin. Nandun siya sa baba. boys, so we got the headers on. Yan. Looks good. Yan. At saka itong wiring harness natin na ginawa natin. Yan. Wiring tack harness natin, I should say. Yan. Okay, man, looks good. I'm pretty stoked right now. I just don't know what to say. Nagagandaan ako. At saka yung between ng headers natin at saka yung subframe natin, marami tayong malaki yung clearance natin. I'd say about like 3 inches. So medyo ayos yun kasi pag nag K24 tayo, wala tayong problema dito sa headers natin. Yeah. And itong settings ko ng mounts natin. So itong K20, nilagay ko lang muna siya dito sa taas. So meron siyang adjustment. Yan. Pero kung gagamitin mo yung bottom hole mo, okay din lang naman. Magiging maganda yung clearance dito sa taas. Hindi siya tatama yung hood mo. But for me, I have the high setting. So siguro I have to whack it with the hammer a little bit yung hood ko. Pero kung yun nga, kung gagamitin mo yung excuse me. Kung gagamitin mo tong nasa bandang baba, yung ground clearance mo, it's going to be pretty close from the ground. Bali kasi itong oil pan ko, boys, ay aluminum siya. Yan. Ginamit ko muna yung nasa bandang taas. Yan. Unlike yung unlike yung T24, steel yung yung oil pan niya. Yan. So yan, boys. And this Hasper mount, boys, I believe the bushing is 70A. Yeah, I think it's 70A. Yes, 70A, I think. It's a little stiffer than normal. Yan. And also, I'm going to switch out this valve cover. I have the 2 fittings welded on. This one here and that one there. I have the catch can already. I just don't want to install it yet. But or maybe I could just go to the store and pick up two of the caps so we can cap it. I don't know, we'll see about that. But I don't have the stud on this one. And then the other side, yeah, there you go. I don't have that one, but we'll see. But I kind of likes the black color. Oh, we should do the matte black. So what do you guys think? We'll be doing the axle tomorrow. So we're gonna install the axle tomorrow. Tapos yung clutch line natin, yun ang gagawin natin. Dahil itong axle na natin na kinuha ay engine shop siya. So ilalagay natin ito bukas, guys. And hopefully bukas darating yung mga kaibigan natin na papatulong ako dun sa bracket ng upuan natin. So nandun pa sa likuran ng bahay. So kukunin ko yun, papakita ko sa kanila. Hopefully matulungan tayo na ikabit yun para hindi na natin gawin. Madali lang naman gawin pero mas iba yung may kasama tayo na gumagawa. Alright, boys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe. Salamat. Fast moving like they on speed dial, and I tell you that I wanna take your clothes off slow. Bad bitch, look articulated. Said you coming fast, but you never made it. Said move that ass down low. Let me see shit never show. Damn nigga, walk past like your last. Like to see you moving fast. Take a break up on the grass. Can't take that shit, don't make it last. Come along with a song, take you to a place to help you make a cake. No stop.
you want it dangerous.
I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, right back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away. All in my head. All in my head. All in my head.
One time I spin up this bum buckler, I'm one year whole crowd say, Massive and crew, hold tight, book 'em.